We're live on The Pulse, and we're on all our social media handles. It's on JoyNews on TV. You can tweet at us with the hashtag The Pulse. My personal handle is at Nana Aisha. Let's talk more about legal education, because President Akufo-Addo says he disagrees with suggestions that the Chief Justice and other Supreme Court justices be removed from the General Legal Council. Speaking at the International Conference on the Future of Legal Education in Ghana and Africa, organized by the University of Ghana School of Law, the president called for the fast-tracking of a new bill prepared by the Attorney General to reform legal education and practice.
There's been a lot of talk recently about reforming education and practice of law in the country. Evidently, there is a split in opinion on how to go about this. Through a private member's bill, some MPs have proposed the removal of the Chief Justice and other Supreme Court justices from the General Legal Council. But President Akufo-Addo is against that. He believes the justices play an important role on the council and must be maintained. The president maintains the General Legal Council must have the final say with the proposed amendments to the Legal Professions Act.
I believe that even if the new Legal Professions Act, which is under consideration, provides for a multiplicity of law schools to regulate the teaching of the professional examinations and break the monopoly of the General Legal Council in that regard, there can be no substitute for the General Legal Council being responsible for the maintenance of standards in the new system. A reform of the system under which legal education currently operates is necessary to accommodate our current realities. The system we come up with will have to be guided by a strong element of sustainability. Sustainable legal education will have as its base the establishment of a regime that will consider the pressing needs of the growing law student population and the expected demands of the generation unborn that will study law. It will be qualitative in its operation, but with a fair and balanced quantitative selection system.
The president also tasked the Attorney General to fast-track processes to present the bill before Parliament for passage into law.
I've already asked the Attorney General to fast-track the process of consultations on the new legal professional bill and lay it before Cabinet and ultimately Parliament as soon as possible. This bill aims to address comprehensively the issues of legal education in Ghana today. I have to restate my conviction that the General Legal Council must have the final say.
Also at this event was Minister for Justice and Attorney General Godfrey Adame, who says extensive consultation will be done before the draft bill goes to Parliament.
Mr. President, the destiny of the nation is at stake. A lot of honesty, good faith, and dispassionate introspection is required for this conference to achieve what I term the twin objective of broadening access to legal education whilst preserving the integrity and quality of the profession. I place emphasis on good faith because in recent times, the discussions bordering on the theme chosen for this conference has been characterized by a lot of politicking and petty point scoring for parochial ends. I will share with you a practical example. To my utter surprise and consternation, I saw a document being spread around social media and the mass media as the Attorney General's legal profession bill. With unrestrained haste, various persons of high standing in society, including professors and senior lawyers, rushed to the media to make all manner of comments, virtually casting aspersions at the integrity of the Office of the Attorney General for coming up with such a bill.